Hi, my name is Marianne Winter and I'm from the Netherlands. I'm the immediate past president of NBPO, the Dutch Association of Professional Organizers. And this is my third conference. I'm very excited to be here. My nickname is Mary, so I am excited that I'm in Maryland here. And we are in the Netherlands with 300 members. And as an organizer, you get the opportunity to change the daily lives of our clients. And being part of IFPOA, the International Federation of Associations, that gives me the opportunity to create a ripple effect around the world. And now we created World Organizing Day. And this is an event on the 20th of May with thousands of colleagues around the world joining forces and making our profession even more popular than it already is. I look forward to seeing you soon.